Hello everyone, Amanda here, thanks for joining me. So I'm just here to share week 7 of our 12 weeks of Christmas freebies. So this is a little thing that I started over on my Facebook group. The link is in the description below, and I promised that I would give them 12 weeks of Christmas freebies. So each week is a small mini kit, and from the mini kit we make small projects. So here's an example of some previous weeks. We've got a loaded tag pocket. This one's a concertina one. Oh, it did have a belly band. And just small projects like so. But these kits are, you know, they're collecting together into quite substantial kits. So if you'd like to, that one slides in there. So if you'd like to come along and join, you can collect all 12 absolutely free. Alright, this is going up tomorrow, Monday. So nobody's got it yet. And I'm going to be doing a quick video on a little project using these mirror image cutouts that I've done. Now, quite a few people who follow me on YouTube have said, we'd love to use these kits, but we don't like Facebook. So what I've done is I have added weeks 1 through to 7 onto my Ko-fi. The link's in the description below. Now, there is a small charge. There's 7 mini kits, that's 21 pages, and they were originally designed as a perk of being part of my Facebook group. So for those that aren't on there, you know, you can still use them. They are available. It's a very, very small nominal fee. Very small. And then as soon as the other 5 weeks are done, I will put those on there as well. That way everybody can get to have a go. And also it means that all 7 of these kits, all 21 pages, are all in one place, easy to get. So even if you're a group member and you don't have the time to be going through the files and, you know, downloading them, you can go on the Ko-fi, and if you're willing to pay that small nominal fee, they're all in one place. Now that over on Ko-fi it will be limited time. Once Christmas is done, this will be gone, because I'll probably do something different next year. That's the only reason being. So there we go. So like I say, free over on Facebook, small cost over on Ko-fi. So it's up to you, but you know, I've made it so that it's available to absolutely everybody. And those 7 kits, 21 pages, is, you know, that's the kind of level of pages that you get for a full journal kit. So when you see the price, I don't think you'd be too offended, because we do keep our prices really low. So you can either follow along with the videos for the projects that I've just shown you. I think I've got 4 or 5 different videos using the weeks as they come along. You can make those specific projects with each kit, or you can make your own things. Use them collectively, make a journal. Also, there's lots of inspiration over on Kazikins' YouTube. I'll leave a link to that in the description below. So Kay is one of my long-term friends, and she makes something every single week out of these free kits and shares it on her YouTube. She doesn't do big long-winded tutorials, but she'll do a share so that you can get the idea, and everything she makes is easy to do. So you just need to look at it and think, oh, that's a great idea. So this is this week's anyway. I just wanted to quickly share before it goes live in the Facebook group tomorrow, Monday, but this is in the collection that's on my Ko-fi now. So that's 21 pages, series 1 through 7. So there you go. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye for now.